Today I will show you how to connect and set up a tplinkwifi router. First, take the included power adapter, plug it into an outlet, and connect it to the router. Next, connect the internet cable from your internet service provider. Plug this Ethernet cable into the one port on the router. It is usually labeled Internet or WAN and has a different color. For the initial setup, it is best to connect the router to your PC or laptop using an Ethernet cable. Plug it into any LAN port on the router and connect the other end to the Ethernet port on the back of your desktop or the side of your laptop. Now flip over the router and look for the default login address. It is usually tplinkwifi.net. Open your browser, type this address into the address bar and hit enter. Make sure you type it directly into address bar, not the search engine. On the first login, the router might ask you to create an administrator password. This is for accessing the router settings. Do not confuse it with your Wi-Fi password. It is recommended to set a strong password and save it. On older models, you will need to enter a default username admin and password admin. Once logged in, the quick setup wizard will start. Make sure the language is set to English and select your local time zone. For the connection type, it is usually best to select it manually. In most cases, you will use a dynamic IP. Static IP is rare for home networks. Choose Dynamic IP and continue. For MAC address, just leave the default option. Next, we set up the Wi-Fi. Here, you need to create a network name or SSID. This is the name you will see on your phone or laptop when connection to the internet. You can name it anything you want, like My House or Hacker House. After that, create your Wi-Fi password. Make it strong. This is the basic security of your network. You can also just keep the default password printed on the back of the router, if you prefer. Save the settings. Now connect to your Wi-Fi, using the new name and password. If everything was done correctly, your internet will start working immediately. If this video was helpful, drop a comment below and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching.